Hey, this is Shawn, Shawn Cole Enterprises, Royalty affiliate, owner of Proximity Marketing Lifestyle, and I'm just stopping in to go over some information that came from Royalty today. Big news, first big news of 2019, updates on pricing, and just changes all the way around that I'm very excited for, and it's going to mean a lot to me, my partners, and anybody that's interested in getting to royalty, and anybody that runs any type of social media or internet marketing that needs to get eyes on their business. Big news came down the pipe today, so I'm just going to go over it with you briefly to keep you informed. We're having another Zoom for additional training later on tonight, so you'll probably be hearing from me later on this evening or maybe tomorrow with more news and more updates on that. But I'm just going to get started right here. Um, Basically, everybody has the basic package now. They're coming in. Everybody has a thousand meter, at least 1,000 meter reach, and you can increase it to a 10,000 meter reach. That's coming down the pipe. That was a new announcement today, and basically, no more gyms. We're no longer using gyms. Royalty, like I've said before, is a software company. We're not a beacon company. We're not a gym company. We are a software company, and what we're doing, we're helping small businesses place ads on cell phones through social media, and through websites and other sources through our partnerships that we have made. Um, it's very new, like I said, it's very exciting. I'm just going to touch on the pricing right now. It's a lot easier and a lot less costly. I believe it's like a 20% reduction in startup fees now to get in with royalty. Where before at the bottom level you could get in at $98. Now you could get started for as low as $77. So that's like a 20% decrease. Make it a little easier for you to get started. You also no more shipping costs. There's no more shipping, so you can save your $10 or a little bit more if you were an international customer. You can save on that. No more activation fee. There's the $30 account activation fee, and no more of the first and last month due at time of sign up. Only thing is required now is just your first month cost. Also, we have different pricing plans now. Um, we have new, they're quote unquote titled gems, but it's just pricing plans for your ad to be seen. And I'm just going to read through them real quickly. Our VF5 plan, which is $47 a month, and it's guaranteed you 5,000 impressions monthly. That's huge. Now you can come in and get a guaranteed 5,000 impressions. 10,000 impressions, that's going to be carried by our VF10 plan. That'll cost you $77 a month. Again, 10,000 impressions across our ad network. That includes Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, CNN, Forbes, and now, like I said, we recently added YouTube, which is powerful. Again, like I said, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, so that's huge. Where'd I leave off? 10,000 impressions. That's our VF10 gem. That's $77 a month. Our VF25, that'll guarantee you 25,000 impressions a month, and that's going to run you $165 a month. 50,000 impressions, that's going to our VF5 plan, and that is $297 a month. All of these pricing plans are very affordable, and it's going to put a lot of money back into your pocket if you're currently running Facebook ads on your own. Um, we are doing it in a whole new way here over at Royalty. It's a lot easier to get in now. If you run a small business, if you're an entrepreneur, if you have a business opportunity or product that you want to get out to the masses, you can now do that with us. And now you can not only are you restricted to 100 meters within your location, now you are going to be able to pick and choose what market you choose to target with your ads and the reach of that ad. Think about that for a second. I hope it registers with you in your brain. You're excited about it as I am. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. 410-929-3390. Again, this is Shawn Cole Enterprises. And also, I'm so excited. Like I said, I'm giving back today. Start the new year off right, our 2019. just like the company Royaltie is doing. And what I'm doing, all action takers, all action takers. If you take action today, join Royaltie today for as low as $77 with me. I will give you a $300 hotel gift card. I'll throw that in as a bonus. Also, with my free YouTube training to get you started and be able to hit the ground running with your online in-home business. Thank you for your time again. Again, this is Shawn Cole Enterprises. You can reach me 410-929-3390. Thank you for your time.